Hello guys, welcome back. Now, I had this car for about 2 months now, and I haven't done anything to it except for changing the radio, which I actually intended to show you in the last video, but I forgot. So here's a little recap of that. Alright, and now it's time to replace the radio because this one has no connectivity, no aux, no Bluetooth, no nothing, and it's also really old. So alright, this looks better already. Now I just need to adjust it to the colors of this car because I used to have this radio on the Honda, and it has the Honda orange, not the Mazda green, which you can see here. Alright, I think I got it pretty close. It looks pretty accurate in real life, maybe a little more green, but I think it's pretty good. Anyways, I think it's about time that I do some maintenance on this car. So let's go ahead. I think I'm going to start with an oil change, which is the most important thing and probably the first job you should do to any car. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Alright, let's jack the car up. I bought a new jack, by the way. I'm very happy with it. That was one of the best investments I have done in a long time. Alright, and don't forget about the safety. There we go. Now let's locate the oil drain and the oil filter. Okay, the drain plug is right here, but where the filter is, I'm not sure yet. I found it, and it's a very shitty place. Let's put our oil pan underneath. Alright, with the oil pan underneath, let's unscrew this thing. Oh, finally. Okay, I don't see a seam there, but it's probably stuck on the pan itself. Now let's let it drain. Of course, it wouldn't be my car if the oil filter was installed properly. Okay, let's give it a new washer. Somebody has tightened this so much that it's bent, but I do not have a replacement, so I'm going to have to stick with it. There was also no washer before. Alright, I installed the plug. Alright, very well. Looking good. Alright, now let's get the air filter next. It's pretty easy to change. There are just 4 clips here. 2, well, maybe not even 4 clips, just 2 clips. Then you take this one, the other one out. As you can see, it was about time. And then just replace it with the new one. Job all done. Alright, let's change the spark plugs. As you can see, it was about time. Alright, and that is all done. I will not be doing the cables this time. I was confused about this system. Because of those things here, I was not sure what to buy, and then I forgot about it, and now I'm just gonna stick with it. I think it should be fine with the old cables. It's not going to be a performance vehicle anyway, so I think it should be more than alright. Alright, here are the 4 old spark plugs. As you can see, they don't look as good, so I'm happy I did this job. And let's crack on to the next one. Alright, so there's not much left in the box. I have the cabin filters here and the blinkers that I bought for the car. And I think while we still have the daylights, I would like to change those. And I'm doing this because as you can see, if you compare this side, you can see there's a reflective surface on here and there's a glass in front of it, and the other side doesn't have that. It seems that it has broken off at some point, and as you can see there's no double glass and it's collecting dirt and water, so it's time to change it. And I found a pair of two for 10 euros, so might as well change both, right? Alright, that was it. Easy job. You can see how broken this is already. Alright, looks brand new. Let's get on to the interior filter. Alright, let's have a look for the cabin air filter now. It must be somewhere underneath the glove box. For that I'm just going to squeeze it together. That's how it works on most cars, and it's gonna detach. There we go, that was easy. Well, I guess it's this thing. Nothing really looks or screams airbox to me, but I guess that would make the most sense. Maybe you can unscrew it from somewhere underneath. I'm not too sure though. I guess I'll try to unscrew this here, and I'll see what's gonna happen. Okay, so I tried to unscrew those two, and they were really hard. They weren't actually moving. So I decided that wouldn't be the way. So I did try again underneath here to unscrew this little thing here. There it is. And it turns out that's where the air cabin filter is. And I noticed that by all the dirt. And here are two filters, supposedly, if you can get them out, of course. Oh, that's gonna be a lot of dirt again. Why is nobody doing this? It's not so hard. You're breathing this in all the time. Oh. That's completely clogged. There must be a second one there, isn't it? Yes, there is. Whoa, it's even worse. Have a look at that. Oh no. Oh no, not again. I'm going to get the vacuum cleaner. Okay guys. Let's do it. Alright, and here are the new air filters. As you can see, big difference. Let's get them in. Interestingly enough, I didn't even need to remove the glove box. You can literally just go underneath here, and if you're strong enough, you can unscrew. Where's my finger? You can unscrew this little thing here by hand and just open it and pop the filters out and pop the new ones in. It's an easy and quick job, and if you haven't done this to your car, please do it, you lazy sack. Alright, I also refilled the cooling fluid and change the headlamps. And I think that's enough. I have some more parts coming, but for very first inspection, I think that's more than alright. See you in the next video.